When using power tools or sharp objects, PFS brands recommend that you wear the appropriate protective gear to protect yourself from injuries. In this video, we are demonstrating the installation of the menu board hanging system, which includes the LCM 2X1U double menu and the LCM 3X1U triple menu board systems. This video shows one method, which uses Unistrut. However, you can use 2x10s and get the same result. It is the retailer's responsibility to ensure that the system is installed by a qualified contractor. The hardest portion of work for hanging the menu system is to have a firm structure to hang the down rod pole mount, which is the CMA 100 part number. Once the down rod poles are installed, the assembly goes much quicker. This particular installation ended up using 4 pieces of Unistrut spaced out to directly fasten the CMA 100 down rod poles directly, using bolts, washers, and Unistrut nuts. Position the first CMA 100 down rod pole into position and fasten to the wood or Unistrut. In this particular instance, it worked out well to place the poles close to the ceiling grid to ease the installation of the ceiling tile back into the grid. Place the second down rod pole and securely fasten to the structure. After the down rod poles have been positioned, place the extension tubes to the desired height using the included hardware. Install the adapter head units by ensuring the adjustment bolt head is on top and sliding all the way up the down rod extension pole and screwing the top hat nut on the threaded extension tube. Slide the 4 brackets into the aluminum track and place 2 nuts on each side, barely starting the threads. Lift the track with the nuts on the top brackets and slide onto the head units. You may have to move the lower track brackets to fully engage the track onto the head unit. Position the track to your liking. Affix the remaining 4 nuts, 2 on each side, and tighten securely. Check for level and adjust one or both of the head units accordingly. Place the head unit back caps and track end caps on using the 4 included trilobular screws. Attach the menu boards using the hooks on the TV brackets previously installed. Ensure the clamp down brackets are open to fully engage the brackets to the track. Once on the track, slide the clamping mechanism in the closed position. Thank you for watching this video, and reach out to our customer success department at PFS Brands for any warranty or spare parts needs at 855-632-3373.